ngurani ikoretwo ikihararia tondu wa igeranio cia gibururi iria cia kirathi gia 6 na 8 na kuria afitha munene wa ruhonge rwa igeranio bururi-ini David Njegere niogite igeranio icio ni ikambia muthii wa mbere wa kiumia yokite na kuria akanitie aciari matikagure makigura maratathi ma maheni na mitaratara ya kuhe arutwo ugitiri ni ikoretwo igikirwo
Igeranio cia kirathi gia 8 na 6 kirathi kana na ikoretwo musho Kaunti ngurani ikoretwo ikihararia afitha munene wa ruhonge rwa igeranio bururi-ini David Njegere niogite igeranio cia gibururi iria irikwo ni arutwo a kirathi gia 6 na 8 irambia muthii wa mbere wa wiki yokite na kuria akanitie aciari matikagure maratathi ma igeranio kuri andu tondu igeranio i handu hega na gutiri mundu ungihota gukinyira maratathi macio.
Nobody lying to you that they can give you the papers before the day of the exam. Those are fraudsters. There is nobody who has access to those papers.
Mitaratara ya matikagure igeranio ni gukinyira mathukuru-ini ona makorwo na mbura ya nino na arutwo aria mareka igeranio ciao kaunti-ini iria ina ugitiri munini ta kaunti ya Baringo ni gukorwo igitiro mahote gukinyira iroto ciao.
Ministry of Education, Ministry of Interior, that's why you can see Ministry of Interior is here, and Ministry of ICT, they work together. So the strategies we have put in place are adequate to ensure that even if there will be El Nino or enhanced rains in any part of this country, we will make sure that the exams are delivered and conducted kulingana na vile tumeweka. Mambo ya security pia Ministry of Interior iko na watahakikisha kwamba hakuna mtoto hata mmoja atakosa kufanya mtihani kwa sababu ya maneno ya security.
Kongena kwa Kaunti ya Kiambu ni maziriria Meharariria na kuria ciana itiro arima utwarithia igeranio na kuria aciari na arimu mahoire manyitirire ciana ciao ihinda-ini riri mitaratara wa mathomo uracenjia.
We are doing rehearsals. We have 2 examinations. We have KCP, that is for class 8, and we also have KIPSEA, that is for grade 6. We need to tell our parents, support your child. Teachers, let's encourage them more so that even with the new system that is now ruling, we are going to help our learners.
Nake mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William